In this tutorial, we'll cover what you need to get started using Dropbox, including installation, configuration, and login. Let's get started. After your account is set up by IT, you should receive an email invitation to activate your account. If your account was set up and you never received this invitation, contact the IT help desk and ask them to resend the invitation. Scroll down to the bottom of that message and click on the link Join Your Team. This will take you to the Dropbox website, where you register your account by entering your first and last name. You will also need to create a password. Go ahead and use your existing domain password here. After agreeing to the terms, press the Create Account button at the bottom of the screen. Your account is now ready to use. Before you download the software client, check to see if it's already been installed. Look in your computer's system tray for the Dropbox icon. If it's not there, click on the Download button. Once the download is complete, open the file to begin the installation. If you don't have rights to install software on your computer, contact the IT help desk to complete the installation. If Dropbox was found in your system tray in the previous step, check to make sure it's linked to your account by right-clicking on the icon. If you see the click here to sign in, you still need to log in. After the installation completes, or after you clicked on Sign In from the icon, you will be prompted with the Dropbox login screen. Enter your email address, and Dropbox will recognize it and switch to single sign-on mode. Next, click the button called Get Your Link. This will take you to the DMC single sign-on screen, where you'll sign in with your corporate username and password. Copy the code, then paste it back into the Dropbox single sign-on window and press Submit. And that's it. Dropbox is now ready to use. Remember, use the Dropbox folder like you would any other folder on your computer. Anything you save in the folder will be available on your other devices and safely backed up to the cloud. No more USB drives, emailing work to yourself, or manually uploading and downloading files. It just works. Be sure to watch the next video in the series, To Sync or Not to Sync. There you will learn how to manage your data within Dropbox. If you have any questions or training suggestions, please contact any member of your IT team. Thanks for watching.